So today we will study the resolution of remote sensors. Okay. So what is resolution? Resolution means the smallest objects that can be identified. Like if we take the example of your scale, जो कंटिन्यूस आपका स्केल डेली आपके पेंसिल बॉक्स में होता है, अगर हम उसके रेजोल्यूशन की बात करें, चिल्ड्रंस कीप योर माइक म्यूट. ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. So resolution means if we are taking the example of your scale, so the resolution of your scale will be the 1 millimeter, because उससे छोटा कोई भी डिस्टेंस आप मेजर नहीं कर सकते. So the resolution of the your scale is 1 millimeter, and if there is an option of measuring the distance less than that, so that will be the resolution of your scale. Okay. So here in the satellite also have 4 types of resolutions. So first one is the spectral resolution. Spectral resolution is basically yesterday we have discussed about the spectral signature of different objects, how the different objects radiate electromagnetic radiation, and we have discussed also what is the electromagnetic radiation. So the spectral resolution of the image is the sensitivity of the sensor to distinguish between the gray levels. As we have discussed that all the images are in the gray color, gray shades. So to distinguish between if you want to distinguish two features on the satellite image like wheat and other crop, and if you are capable of doing that, then it is having a very good spectral resolution. It is the ability of the sensor to resolve energy in different spectral bands. Spectral bands means red, green, blue, and the several bands. Like previously we are having a panchromatic image, that means the image is only in one band. Then we are started having a image in multispectral, means the image is in the 3 or more bands. Then now we are having a hyperspectral, then now we are having the ultra hyperspectral. Hyperspectral images are those images which are taken in more 100 bands or more than 100 bands. Then the hyperspectral, ultra hyperspectral images are those images which are in the 1000 bands or more than 1000 bands. So to distinguish between the spectral signature of objects increases as the bands in a particular satellite increases. So the spectral resolution describes the ability of a sensor to define wavelength intervals. The finer the spectral resolution, the narrower the wavelength range for a particular channel or a band. Okay. So let's see with the example of Landsat thematic mapper has 7 bands. Okay. QuickBird Iconos has 4 bands. Like if we are taking the example of Indian satellites, they are having a 4 bands. Okay. So different satellites are having different bands. It is now the Landsat 10 has is taking images in band 10 and band 11 also. So the number of bands are comparatively increases in these days. Okay, so this is how the number of bands look like band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, band, and like the thermal sensors are also included in the satellite. So we are getting the images in the thermal region also. So this is how the 7 bands of Landsat looks like. All the bands are taken, all the images in different bands are in the different wavelength. So if we are having an image in multispectral, then the image can be converted into a color composite. The image can be converted into a color composite only and if the image is in the multispectral. No panchromatic or pan images can be converted into color composite. Okay. So next resolution of a satellite is a spatial resolution. Spatial resolution means, what does this spatial word mean? Spatial means a location or a space. It is connected with the space or location. Means if you are locating any object on the earth surface, so the smallest object or the smallest area that can be identified on the earth surface is the spatial resolution of a satellite. So here it is written that detail discernible in an image is dependent on the spatial resolution of a sensor and refers to the size of the smallest possible features that can be detected. So this is the spatial resolution of 30 meters Landsat image. So Landsat image is having a resolution of 30 meters. It means that all the features that are smaller than 30 meters or the area which is smaller than 30 meters cannot be identified on the image, although it is having some signatures or having some, but it cannot be distinguished. Means अगर दो फीचर्स हैं और 30 मीटर से कम हैं तो आप उनको डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर पाएंगे. Above the 30 meter area, features can be identified on this satellite image. We are taking the example of Landsat image. Okay. So what is the relationship between spatial resolution and pixel size? The more high resolution images are having more number of pixels. Means like 10 meter resolution images will be having more pixels. Pixels means picture element. Okay. Or the more number of grids. What are the pixel? Pixel is a square grid on an image. Then the 30 meter resolution image and the 80 meters. Here you can see that in the 10 meter resolution image, the features are more clear than in 30 meters and in 80 meters. More features can be identified in the high resolution image. The more the high resolution of an image, the less this number will be. If there is 1 meter, then it is a high resolution image. And if it is 80 meters, then it is a low resolution image. Okay, so this is how it is shown, spatial and resolution and the pixel. So in 10 meters it is 160 pixels, 20 meters 80 pixels. Just see this number of pixels. The area remaining the same, the pixel of number of pixels are continuously decreasing. So here we have the 40 meter image. In 40 meter resolution image, we have 40 pixels, and in 80 meter resolution image, we have the 20 pixels for a particular area. Okay. Then this is how the different types of resolution of the images look like. 1 kilometer, 360, 188, 23, 5 meter, 1 meter, and now we are getting our smallest resolution, highest resolution that we are getting these days is the worldwide 3 satellite image, that is less than 30 meters. Okay. So in this illustration, we have just bands of each square grid, एक square grid, this one represent. इसका अगर हम एरिया की बात करें एक स्क्वायर ग्रिड की, तो इट इज ऑफ 30 मीटर इंटू 30 मीटर पीस ऑफ लैंड. एक रेजोल्यूशन, एक पिक्सल इमेज पर कितना एरिया रिप्रेजेंट करेगा अर्थ सरफेस पे. इफ यू आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ Landsat data, it represent the area of 30 meter square meter, 30 square meter. Okay. And if you are taking the example of list 4 data, then 1 pixel of list 4 data is of 5.8 square meters. List 3 data 23.5 square meters. Okay. So this is the spatial resolution. Always remember, spatial resolution means the ability of a sensor to detect the smallest object on the Earth's surface. Okay. The second one is the radiometric resolution. Radiometric resolution is the different reflected radiation used to obtain different digital values. Digital values or DN values. See here, each pixel is having some number. Like here you must have, you are noticing this number 170, 238. This number is known as the digital number. And the image is composed of these numbers only. These numbers is the amount of energy or the electromagnetic radiation that is being reflected by the object on the Earth's surface. Okay. So as we have seen that the image is in the gray shades only. So the image is represented in by these gray shades on an image only. Up the more number of gray shades, the more precise we will get the image. For example, if you want to paint something, अभी कभी आपको painting बनानी हो and you have limited number of colors, like you have 6 और 7 कलर्स. उस वक्त क्या होगा, जब आपके पास कलर्स कम होंगे तो आप बहुत सारी जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे या फीचर्स होंगे उनको आप लगभग सेम कलर से आप उस अपनी पेंटिंग में रिप्रेजेंट कर देंगे. बट इफ यू हैव नंबर ऑफ शेड्स, तब आप क्या करेंगे, तब आप अगर आप कुछ लोगों को भी अपनी पेंटिंग में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो आप उनका स्किन कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. आप उनके डिफरेंट जो कलर्स उन्होंने पहने होंगे, आप वो कलर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ऐसे ही द मोर नंबर ऑफ ग्रे शेड्स मींस द मोर वेरिएशंस इन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. मतलब जो रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी है उसको हम और अच्छे से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं इफ वी आर हैविंग more number of gray shades. These number of gray levels is expressed in terms of bits. 1 bit मतलब 2 shade. अगर हमारे पास 1 bit का data है, that means the data is in the 2 shades only. One is black and one is white. ठीक है. अब जैसे जैसे ये नंबर ऑफ ग्रे शेड्स बढ़ते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपको और अच्छा एंड प्रिसाइज डेटा मिलता जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर हैविंग अ 12 और 13 बिट डेटा आल्सो. हमारा इंडियन सैटेलाइट का जो LIS3 का डेटा है दैट इज इन द 7 बिट, मींस 128 शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे आर देयर इन द इमेज. सी, this is the example of radiometric resolution. Let's start from the bottom right corner of this. Here we are having a 2-bit quantization. Okay, so means 2 shades are there. One is black and one is white. So the number of features are identified is very less. And as we move from here to 8-bit, means 256 levels of gray shades, now the features are more clear. More number of features can be identified from this particular image. Okay. So let's take the example of Landsat. Only Landsat is of 8-bit data. Landsat की जो images हैं that is of 8-bit data, means 256 shades of gray are there in the image. ठीक है. अब here it is written 255 means अब यहाँ पर हम जब इमेज की बात करते हैं तो 0 is also a value. ठीक है. सो 0 भी हम काउंट करेंगे तो 0 इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू एंड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज द 255. एंड वन थिंग मोर, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी हमारा डिजिटल नंबर 0 होता है, ठीक है, इट मींस इट रिप्रेजेंट दैट देयर इज एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. जब सारा इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा और सेंसर वहां पर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन नहीं सेंस करेगा तो इट विल असाइन इट अ वैल्यू 0. ठीक है. एंड ब्लैक कलर के हमको पिक्सेल्स दिखेंगे एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट बेसिकली द वाटर. ठीक. देन व्हाइट अगर इस इमेज में वो देखें तो व्हाइट विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द नंबर 255, means maximum energy or the 100% energy is being reflected by an object. Okay. Then the last one is the, so how many resolutions we have discussed? Spectral, spatial, radiometric, and now is the last one is the temporal resolution. What is temporal resolution? Temporal resolution means the revisit period of a satellite. In how many days the satellite is going to revisit a particular area. इसका एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. आज अगर सैटेलाइट ने लखनऊ का इमेज लिया है तो नेक्स्ट वो कब आकर लखनऊ का इमेज लेगी. ठीक है. The revisit period of this satellite is the temporal resolution. Acha, there are two things that you should understand. Satellites are launched and are in the space. ठीक है. Satellites हमारी स्पेस में है, उनकी स्पीड पे हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है. ठीक है. सो अ पर्टिकुलर कोई भी सैटेलाइट का रीविजिट टाइम जो अपना होता है दैट इज 22 to 24 days. ठीक है. हम इसको स्पीड अप नहीं कर सकते, हम इस सैटेलाइट को वापस जल्दी से उसी एरिया पे नहीं ला सकते. अगर हमको डेली का कहीं का डेटा चाहिए देन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल लॉन्च a satellites of the same characteristics, ऐसे टाइम पे ऐसी जगह से कि उनके बीच का जो टाइम है, रीविजिट टाइम है, जैसे आज एक सैटेलाइट गई है, मान लीजिए आज एक सैटेलाइट गई है X1, take the example, the satellite name is X and it is X1. अब the same characteristics की satellites X2 will visit tomorrow, X3 the day after tomorrow, and this is how the revisit time or the temporal resolution of a satellite is being changed. Take the example of repeativity of IRS. अब इसमें क्या किया था, IRS के जो रिपीटिविटी टाइम है वो 22 डेज है, ठीक है। एक सैटेलाइट जहां से होकर गुजरी है वो वापस वहां पर 22 दिन बाद आएगी, मतलब अगर आज गई है, सो टुडे इज 13, तो अब आज से 22 दिन बाद ही दोबारा वो सैटेलाइट आएगी। But to decrease or to improve the repeativity of this satellite, what we have done? We have launched another satellite with the name IRS-1B. IRS-1A is here. पहले थी हमारे पास IRS-1A, हमारे पास कब आने वाली थी? 22 दिन बाद, मतलब 13 को गई है, तो अब नेक्स्ट मंथ के फर्स्ट वीक में आएगी। So to improve the repeativity, IRS-1B is launched. अब क्या होगा? The satellite data of the same resolution, spectral resolution, radiometric resolution, spatial resolution data of the same satellite with the same characteristic we will be getting after 11 days. अगर हमको इसकी रिपीटिविटी और इंप्रूव करनी होगी तब क्या करेंगे, हम लोग एक और सैटेलाइट लॉन्च कर देंगे जो हमारे 5 डेज के गैप पे होगी, या और देयर आर मेनी सैटेलाइट डेटा. Some of the US satellites, they are getting a data of every hour, every 6 hours. मतलब एक दिन में they are getting the data of a particular place 4 times. मतलब हर 6 घंटे पे उनको डेटा मिल रहा है, हर 2 घंटे पे डेटा मिल रहा है. दे आर गेटिंग द लाइव डेटा ऑल्सो, हर 1 घंटे पे उनको डेटा मिल रहा है. सो टू इम्प्रूव द रिपीटिविटी, we are not speeding up the speed of the satellite, but to launch several satellites of the same characteristics to get the data or to improve the temporal resolution of that satellite. Okay. So these are the 4 important resolution of a satellite. All the satellites are having these 4 resolutions. So that's it. This topic is completed. हमारा जो resolution of a satellite image है, that is completed.